Learning the Tai Chi move, crane spreads his wings. Remember, when you perform over time, the crane spreads his wings, don't just perform that crane, but try to be the crane. So putting the spirit into the move is very important. And the crane move is easy to put the spirit of the crane into it than other Tai Chi moves. Crane spreads his wings is one hand moves up while the other one moves down. So we'll go on from our last move. We just finish the two grind motions clockwise, and we're at this point. From this point, shift the weight to the left leg slightly. Turn the right leg 45 degrees inward, and then put all your weight on your right leg while touching with the ball of the foot the floor. So we're turning towards the left. Again, from the end of motion, shift the weight slightly to the left leg. Turn the right leg 45 degrees inward, the foot. Shift your weight into the right leg, empty the left leg, turn the waist, and touch the ground with the ball of the foot. Okay, now we'll add the upper body. So shift the weight to the left, turn the right leg inward 45 degrees. As you empty the left leg, bring your hands, your arms, and cross them in front of your chest. It does not matter which hand is in front. You'll find out that some of you feel the right one in front is more natural, and some feel that the left is more natural. Whatever is more natural for you, that's the way you're going to place your arms. Shift the weight to the left. Turn the right 45 degrees. As you turn the waist, you bring the hands into the chest and you touch the floor with the ball of the foot of the left leg. Then you spread the wings. The left goes up while the right goes down. And then you come back to the cross in front of your chest. And then the right goes up and the left go down. I'll do it one time facing forward. So from the end of the move, shift the weight to the left, turn the right leg in, cross in front of your chest, touch the floor with the left leg, touch the ball of the foot. Left wing moves up, right wings move down. Cross in front of your chest, right wings move up, left moves down. Remember over time to mix your internal skills with your Tai Chi moves.